I want you to understand that price in the forex market seek basically just two things: liquidity and inefficiency. And if you understand these two concepts, your win rate is going to increase drastically. And if you watch this video to the end, I'm going to be explaining to you what liquidity is, the 5 type of liquidity that plays out every day in the forex market, the different type of inefficiency, and how you can convert this powerful concept into different strategies. So without wasting much time, let's get down to business. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell. It helps the algorithm to share this video to a lot of traders out there. So now, what is liquidity? Liquidity is basically money. Imagine a zone where around 1 million traders will place their stop loss. It means there is a lot of money, resting in that zone. Now, for example, if trader A and B sold from this zone here, it is logical for humans to put their stop loss just few pips above above this range. Let's do an example. So it is logical for humans to put their stop loss few pips above the range. Now this means automatically a lot of orders are resting here and there's liquidity there. So if the market sells from that range, it means that particular place is protected at that particular time. Another example is trader C sells from this place, from this zone here. Their stop loss is definitely going to be few pips here. So now we have stop loss here, stop loss here, stop loss here. And same thing with this region here. Now we have a zone where there are 4 different stop loss: 1, 2, 3, 4. It means there is money resting above here, money resting above here, here, and this place. So because the price has not seeked this place before, what we will definitely see is that now, okay, we have the types of liquidity. We have the trend line liquidity. Every session high and low has liquidity resting below or above there, except when the session high or low is sitting or resting on a POI. So anyway, I will come to that. We have previous day high, previous day low. There's liquidity resting there. Swing high, swing low, double top, double bottom, triple top, triple top, triple top. Triple top and triple bottom. There is liquidity resting above and below. So there is liquidity everywhere. We have internal liquidity. We have internal liquidity. Liquidity like in this high here. There's liquidity here. This is an internal liquidity. This swing high you're seeing here. This is an external liquidity. This sell side liquidity. This is also an external liquidity. So that is basically different type of liquidity. So if those that took their buy here, logically they'll place their stop loss here below this place. So it means there's liquidity resting below here. If we take this swing, this low and this high as our swing, there's liquidity, there's a trend line liquidity present here. The next thing I want to explain is inefficiency. Inefficiencies are in form of order blocks and what's it called? Order blocks, fair value gap, breaker blocks, new wick opening gap, and all of that. So those are all inefficiency. They are called inefficiency because price moved above or below that place, and price has not come back to revisit that place. So if you take a close look at this this place here, there are 2 different type of inefficiency here. Here we have the breaker block and the fair value gap. So it means that price has a high tendency of coming back to this region, which you can see here. There was a nice bullish run above. During this nice bullish run, price created an inefficiency which was in the form of fair value gap and a breaker block. Price pulled back. If you look at this huge bearish candle here, it means that the sell volume was high and price was supposed to keep tanking. But because there was an unfilled or unmitigated inefficiency, price tapped in, and this inefficiency definitely hold. So now this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting price to start seeking liquidity, because now, like I said earlier, price seeks just two things in the forex market: liquidity and inefficiency. So now price have created liquidity here. This is a trendline liquidity. So price is tapping into this inefficiency here. Now I will ask myself, where is the next liquidity that the market wants to take out? And if you remember what I said earlier, we have the internal and external liquidity. So this is an internal liquidity here that price might likely take out. So I will buy, and my first target will be in this place. This is a live, what's it called? This is a live chart, not a back testing, whatever. So I'll be buying here. Once you understand this concept, once you you learn it, you can't unlearn it. You just can't unlearn this concept. I'll be buying in this place. My first target will be this what was it called, internal liquidity, and my second target will be the external liquidity. So this is a high probability setup. It's an A plus setup for me. Whenever you see a trend line liquidity, there's something I need you to watch out for. Whenever you see something like this, a trend line liquidity, whenever you see a trend line, now what makes a good trend line? What makes a perfect trend line? A trend line it should have minimum 3 touches. 3 touches moving in the same direction. So this is the first touch, second touch, and the third one. So this is a perfect trend line. Whenever you see a trend line like this, you should watch out for unfilled inefficiency. It can be in the form of order block, it can be in the form of breaker block, it can be in the form of fair value gap. So just watch out for unmitigated inefficiency, and watch how price will rally back. If the inefficiency holds, then you should be looking for the nearest liquidity. This is a powerful strategy that I've used, to pass my profit account, make get a lot of payouts, make a lot of money from the forex market. So I'm sharing it to my YouTube community. Why? Because I guess that is why I opened this channel, to be transparent and all of that. So I'll be buying US 30 at London Open, which we'll be getting very soon. I'll be buying US 30, and my target will first of all will be the Asia high. This is the Asia high here. This place is the Asia high. So my first target will be the Asia high. Second target will be the internal. Like I said earlier, there is liquidity resting in every session high and low, except the session high or low is sitting on a POI. And I have a powerful strategy for that. It's called the algorithm volume and liquidity strategy. So it plays out mostly every London session. I will make another video to explain that. It is too broad, it is too wide for me to just and I don't want to explain it short in this video, so I will create out time for that. I also have a community where I share my trade. The link is in the description. So this is a powerful A plus setup for me, and that I'm willing to take during the London session. Why? Because it has presence of liquidity. As you can see here, this trendline liquidity has not been grabbed fully. I know price will take out this place. There's liquidity resting above here, and above here. And there is something I will tell you now for free. If price grabs this place, if price gets to this place, we're definitely going to see about 3 or 4 candles moving in the same direction. So that's additional bonus for you. Additional bonus. You're definitely going to see about 3 or 4 candles moving, in same direction. So this is what I expect to play out during the London session.